Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set Google Chrome as a default browser on Xiaomi Book S. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the Settings, and inside we want to select the apps. Go for the default apps, and right here we can set default app as a Google Chrome, our browser. So just look for Google Chrome right here in the pool, click on it. Then we need to click on Set Default in the top right corner of the screen, and most of the link types should change to Google Chrome. You can also manually change, for example, PDF that is located right here to Google Chrome, and now it will automatically open PDF files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.